If you want to download your account data from Etsy, follow these simple steps to ensure you have a copy of your information. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy tab. Click on it to find options related to your personal data and privacy preferences. Step 4. Request data download. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Check your email for the download link. After requesting the download, check your email for a message from Etsy. This email will contain a link to download your account data. Follow the link and save the data to your device. Now you have successfully downloaded your account data from Etsy. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Etsy support.